Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Install the latest stable VS Code in Git, then add Git to your path so the editor can call it. Once installed, sign into your Microsoft or GitHub account to enable settings sync. Next, set your default integrated terminal, pick Bash, PowerShell, or WSL depending on your workflow. These decisions let extensions and source control work immediately, so make sure they complete before moving on to extensions and workspace configuration. Once the basics are ready, install the specific language extensions and a linter/formatter for consistent code style. This is where autocomplete and IntelliSense become productive. Then configure workspace settings, set formatter, tab size, end-of-line, and file encoding so the team shares behavior. Create a VS Code folder with settings, JSON and extensions. JSON listing recommended extensions. This ensures any team member opens the repo with the same tools active. Finish by hooking up source control. Clone or initialize a repo, then commit your baseline files so VS Code recognizes the project. Configure and test the debugger, adding a launch. JSON if your runtime requires specific settings. Once everything runs, enable autosave and workspace snippets for productivity. If an extension misbehaves, clear the extension cache, disable others to isolate conflicts, and reinstall the problematic extension. Often a reload or full restart resolves state issues and restores expected behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.